Hi, my name is Rob. Today I'd like to show you this superb range of lockable CCTV enclosures called KitVault. They've been designed to accommodate DVRs and NVRs for secure storage, but they can also be used with other equipment. A lot of people worry about complying with the CCTV Code of Practice and the General Data Protection Regulations. Using our lockable KitVault CCTV enclosure is a great place to start your compliance. The code stipulates that your CCTV recordings must be securely stored where only a limited number of authorised persons may have access to them. So a good way to start with your compliance is with a KitVault. The KitVault has other benefits too, so let's look at the range now. The KitVault comes in 4 options to suit a range of DVR and NVR models. There's extra small, the Vault 100. This suits the smallest of DVR and NVRs. The Vault 200 cabinet is slightly larger and has extra space, so you can add cooling fans into the slots provided. This model suits some of the smaller 4-way CCTV recorders that usually take a single hard drive. It has a tough viewing window so you can see the recorder working inside. The mid-size KitVault is a popular choice as it fits most of the 4, 8 and smaller 16-channel DVRs and NVRs on the market. This is the Vault 300, and just like the smaller model, it has fan slots to keep your CCTV or electronic equipment cool, as well as a handy viewing window in the front panel too. Finally, the largest of the KitVault lockbox range is the Vault 400, which is perfect for the larger DVR and NVR recorders that take multiple hard drives. Again, this has 3 locations to add cooling fans, which is really useful to keep your equipment cool when it's working around the clock. So that's the full range of KitVault CCTV cabinets. Let's have a look at one in detail. So once you've selected your recorder, all you need to do is check it against the internal measurements and pick the KitVault size that suits it. This is the medium Vault 300 model. In terms of safeguarding your CCTV footage, the KitVault gives extra security. Made of tough 1.4mm thick steel, you're not just protecting it from theft or tampering, you're protecting your valuable CCTV equipment from accidental damage too. Its attractive graphite finish blends in well with most surroundings and certainly wouldn't look out of place in a normal office or retail environment, or even in a store or server room. The lockable front door panel has a useful viewing window made from tough polycarbonate. This allows you to immediately see if the recorder is still operating without needing to access it. The KitVault CCTV enclosure has been cleverly designed, fitting together in such a way that it has no external screws or bolts, so it's really hard to gain access to the enclosure without using the keys provided. Once you've unlocked the front panel, it drops down so you have fast access to the machine's controls. Once that front panel has been opened, it also allows you to lift up the lid of the enclosure, so you can in fact remove the whole top. Perfect if you need access to the rear of the DVR. The front panel has these really clever spring hinges at either side, so it too can be removed to make it easy to initially slot a DVR or NVR into place. These removable parts make it really easy to access the DVR or NVR in the KitVault. Really cleverly designed throughout to make installing and using the KitVault better than other designs. You'll notice that there are screw holes in the rear of the enclosure, so you can securely fix the unit against the wall to prevent it from being picked up and taken away by intruders. The fixing bolts are concealed and can only be accessed from the inside of the unit itself. On the lid, you'll find there are small recesses allowing you to stack KitVaults on top of each other. You could use one enclosure for a DVR and another for a video distributor, balance, power supplies, or something similar. The design of the KitVault with its easy open access to a DVR or NVR makes it the preferred choice of many professional installers. The ability to add cooling fans to keep your equipment running in tip-top shape are the icing on the cake in why to choose KitVault. You can fit up to 3 of these fans inside a KitVault, and they are part number fan 012. So that's a KitVault enclosure for you. Let's do a quick recap of those features. It helps you comply with the CCTV Code of Practice by allowing access to your recorded footage by authorised personnel only. It keeps your equipment secure from theft as it can be bolted down. It's a tough enclosure that stops accidental damage to your CCTV equipment. Thanks to the viewing panel, you don't need to access the recorder to see if it's still operating. Once unlocked, it's easy to access the connections on the back of your equipment or remove your recorder if required. You can use one KitVault to store your equipment or stack them on top of each other to house a range of electronics and security equipment. It's easy to add extra fans into the enclosure to keep your equipment cool. And finally, it comes in 4 sizes: extra small, small, medium and large, to accommodate all sizes of DVRs and NVRs. Thank you for watching today. And for more detailed information on the KitVault range of DVR and NVR enclosures, please visit our website www.kitvault.com, where you can download the full specifications and measurements from there.